Is your toilet clogged and not flushing properly? Don't panic. In this video, we're going to show you how to use a auger and a plunger. Keep watching. Let's start with the first tool, the plunger. It's a simple but powerful tool for clearing most blockage. Place the plunger into toilet bowl. Make sure that the rubber part is fully submerged in water. You want to create a seal around the drain. Make sure you're holding the plunger firmly. Now use strong, quick pushes. First pushing down, then pulling up. Do this for 15-20 seconds to create enough pressure to dislodge the blockage. If the water starts to drain, that means you have successfully cleared the clog. If not, it's time to bring the big gun, the toilet auger. Here's the toilet auger. It's designed to reach deeper clog that a plunger can't handle. The flexible shaft and the auger head will help break through or pull out stubborn blockage. To use the auger, start by inserting the end of the auger into the toilet bowl drain. Hold the handle and gently rotate the auger while pushing it into the drain. Keep turning to feed the auger further down. As you rotate, you may feel resistance, which means the auger has reached the clog. Keep turning to either break the clog up or hook it to pull it out. Once you have broken up the clog or pulled it out carefully, retract the auger. Make sure to dispose of any debris properly. Now try flushing the toilet to see if the water drains smoothly. You have successfully cleared your toilet using a plunger and auger. With these tools, you can handle most clogs easily and safely. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching.